What is up, everybody? I'm especially excited to talk about today's tool. One of the main reasons is it's a very little known tool, yet very powerful. I find myself using this tool all the time. And the best of all, it's free. So this tool is called Napkin AI. There is no cost, at least at this point when making this video. This tool is a way to bring your text alive with visuals. So whether you're a salesman trying to sell stuff, doing PowerPoint presentations, doing a pitch, maybe you're a speaker, or maybe you're a teacher trying to get your point across, adding visuals to things always enhances the learning experience. This is a really cool way to create visuals. So let's hop in. I'm going to show you how the tool works. You can create text inside of here, but let's say you already have a PowerPoint presentation, you already have a course or an ebook or something. You can paste your text in here and do the exact same thing I'm about to do right now. But for sake of creating the video, we're going to create some text right inside a napkin. So let's do the top parts of a high converting funnel. Continue. And here we go. So it's getting into the awareness stage, interest stage, consideration stage, intent stage. So this is great information. Now you can see these little lightning bolts on the side here. This is how you generate the visual. So I'm going to select the text that I want to create a visual of. We'll go up and I will hit that little lightning bolt and it's doing the magic right now. So you're not going to believe how many different visuals this thing's going to create. It's actually crazy. You got to scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, it's already starting to create all of these. So that one looks pretty cool. And again, it's showing literally showing the funnel. So here's another design. All this happened in seconds. Look at all these visuals that I get to choose from for creating content. So again, I don't care if it's a blog post, an ebook, a presentation, whatever it is you're trying to do, it turns that text and the things that you're talking about visually alive. And look at all these different things that you can choose from here. Is this not amazing? This is Napkin AI. I'm going to keep scrolling for a second, but there's so many to choose from. When you get to the very bottom, I haven't even got there yet, but when I get to the very bottom, I can generate more. Generally, I find something I like in the first stuff that it outputs, but this is such a cool tool, napkin.ai. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the session. Put this tool to use. It's an amazing tool, and I think you're going to like it. Thank you.